Now we come to one of the most important steps. Active recall.
Now we come to one of the most important steps. Active recall.
Most people think they know something because they can understand it while reading.
Most people think they know something because they can understand while reading.
But the true test is, can you remember it when it is not in front of you?
But the true test is, can you remember it when it is not in front of you?
That is active recall. It is closing the book and asking yourself.
That is active recall. It is closing the book and asking yourself, what did I just learn? Can I explain it? Can I write it? What did I just learn? Can I explain it? Can I write it?
Can I say it in my own words?
Can I say it in my own words?
If yes, you know it.
If
no,
you need to review. If yes, you know it. If no, you need to review.
This is like exercise for the brain.
This is like exercise for the brain.
Each time you try to recall, you strengthen the path.
Each time you try to recall, you strengthen the path.
Even if you fail, the act of trying builds power.
Even if you fail, the act of trying builds power. Builds power.
Reading is like watching someone lift weights.
Reading is like watching someone lift weights.
Active recall is lifting the weight.
Active recall is lifting the weight yourself.
And each lift makes you stronger.
And each lift makes you stronger. Here is how you can use it after reading one page. Here is how you can use it after reading one page.
Close the book and say out loud what you remember.
Close the book and say out loud what you remember. You remember, active recall is lifting the weight yourself, and each lift makes you stronger.
After watching one video, pause and write 3 points without looking.
After watching one video, pause and write 3 points without looking.
Use flashcards.
Look at the question cover.
Cover
The answer and force yourself to remember. Use flashcards. Look at the question. Cover the answer and force yourself to remember. At night before sleep, test yourself. What
What
3 things did I learn today? At night before sleep, test yourself. What 3 things did I learn today?
This is not always comfortable.
Sometimes you struggle. This is not always comfortable. Sometimes you struggle.
But the struggle
is
the workout.
But the struggle is the workout. The more you practice, the easier recall comes. Soon your brain will surprise you. The more you practice, the easier recall becomes. Soon your brain will surprise you.
In exams, in conversations, in life.
In exam, in conversations, in life.
Knowledge will appear.
The knowledge will appear because you
trained to recall it
daily.
Daily.
Because you trained to recall it daily. Finally, let us talk about protecting your mind. Finally, let us talk about protecting your mind from overload. Your brain from overload. Your brain is not a trash bin. Is not a trash bin. It is not made to carry endless. It is not made to carry endless. Random noise. When your brain is too full. When your brain is too full, it cannot store what is important. It cannot store what is important. The problem
is not
just
that you are
lazy. The problem is not that you are lazy
or weak.
Lazy or weak.
The problem is that your brain is drowning.
The problem is that your brain is drowning
in distractions.
Too many drugs.
Too many notifications.
Too many notifications. Too many
videos.
Too many videos. Too
many opinions.
Too many opinions.
Too many memes.
Too many memes.
By the time you want to remember something.